Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we are going to make gingerbread cookies together. It's that time of the year and these cookies, this version is the easiest, simplest version that you can prepare at home, and you can even make it with your kids. It's that easy. So what I'm going to do is I have 3 cups of flour in front of me and I'm adding a teaspoon of ginger and a teaspoon of cinnamon. I love the way these cookies make my kitchen smell when baking them. Kids love it, adults love it, they're super easy to make it together. You can even decorate your Christmas tree with these cookies, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And that's perfect. And here I have my stand mixer, but you can also do it with your hand as well. And I have 90 grams of butter, and the butter has to be at room temperature. This is very, very important. So make sure to take it out of your fridge about 30 minutes before making these cookies. And what you can do, if you forget this step, you can always microwave it for about 15 seconds, and that will bring this down to or up to room temperature. And to the butter, I'm adding some brown sugar, and I'm going to write down all the quantities of these ingredients in the description box, so you can always refer to that. And I'm going to whisk the butter along with the sugar until the sugar really dissolves in it, like for about, I'll say, 3 minutes. I'm now going to add 1 egg and I'm going to continue whisking. I'm now going to add half a cup of molasses, which is going to make these cookies taste like New Year's in winter. You can substitute it with some maple syrup, but it's custom to use molasses when making gingerbread cookies. And I'm going to add in some vanilla extract as well, so that it gives it a nice aroma. Again, whisking everything together. And it's now time to add the dry ingredients. I'm going to add this in 2 steps. First, I'm adding the half of it. I'm going to give everything a mix on low speed, and then I'm going to add the other half so that it comes together easier and nicer. The dough is ready. What I did was I put a parchment paper in front of me, and I'm simply going to transfer the dough on top of the parchment paper. It's going to be a little dense like this. That's how I want it to be. It smells so delicious. And I'm just going to bring everything together with my hands and form it in the shape of a disc so that it will be easier for me to go over it with a rolling pin. That's great. And now I'm going to cover it up with another parchment paper, and I'm going to go over it with a rolling pin until it's as thin as a pencil. And it's a very easy dough to work with. This shouldn't be too tricky. And always work your way from middle to the ends so that the dough is equally thin. Perfect. And you can use regular gingerbread man cookie cutters if you have them on hand, but what I like to do is that I like to cut each one differently. But what to make sure while doing this is that you have to make sure that your cutters are about the same size, so they all cook evenly. So I have an angel here. I'm gonna do an angel. I'm going to do a shooting star. I don't know what this is, but I think it's maybe a rabbit or a dog. We'll find out. So I'm going to shape them in different shapes, different colors. I've used up all the dough, but if you want, you can always leave some and you can freeze it and you can cook it whenever you want. So if you want to hang these on your Christmas tree, this is what you do. You take a spoon with like it has to be like something small here, so that think of it as if like a big needle. And what you do is you just cut through it like so. And you can put a string through it and you can hang it on your Christmas tree once it's cooked. I'm going to do a couple and leave the others like so, because I'm not gonna hang all of it on my Christmas tree. I wanna eat some. And what I'm going to do is after I'm going to transfer these to the preheated oven at 170 Celsius degrees, and they're going to stay in there for about 11-12 minutes. I'm going to take them out of the oven before they're like fully cooked. I'm going to take them out of the oven when they're a little bit still soft, and I'm going to let them rest for 10 minutes on the tray, and they're going to firm up while they're resting. And after that I'm going to show you how they're supposed to look and taste like. And the cookies are ready. They look very nice. They smell very nice, and I'm going to give one of it a taste. They're very nice. They're very soft inside. I don't like it when they're too tough. Like, you know, sometimes you have gingerbread man cookies and you feel like your teeth is gonna break while you're eating it. This is definitely not like that. So, like this, you can put a string through the ones that you put a hole in them, and you can decorate them if you want. Some of it I leave as is, some of them I have some like decorating pans like these ones. You can find them in grocery stores, and some of it I'm going to decorate like this. However you want. Again, this is a great step to include kids if you have any, or nieces. So there you have it, easiest gingerbread man cookie recipes. They don't need to wait in the fridge, you know, they're very easy. You can bake them, you can prepare the whole thing in about 30 minutes. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.